Welcome to the TV King channel, cutting the cord since 2002. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on the latest Kodi tips and tutorials. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Jet TV Guide Addon on Kodi from the magnetic repository. One of the best add-ons for organizing and watching live TV streams in one convenient guide layout. So, if you're tired of scrolling through endless lists and want that classic TV guide experience, stick around to the end of this video. Before we jump into the installation, let's quickly talk about what Jet TV Guide actually is. This add-on provides a clean, easy-to-read EPG, electronic program guide, that works with multiple live TV add-ons. It doesn't stream content by itself. Instead, it lets you link other add-ons like The Crew, Mad Titan, or Daddy Live so you can browse and play your live channels from a single interface. Pretty cool, right? In this tutorial, we are using an Amazon Fire Stick 4K Max to install the Jet TV Guide add-on, but these instructions will also work for any Kodi device, including Android TV, Google TV, PC, phone, tablet, and more. Prior to using Jet TV Guide, you must first install the Kodi application on your Fire Stick or Android device. If you haven't already done so, jump to the description below this video and click on the link How to Install Kodi to your Fire TV or Android TV box. Launch the Kodi app, then click Settings. Select the system icon. If it isn't already enabled, click the toggle to turn on unknown sources. Click Yes. Return to the System menu and open File Manager. Select Add Source. Click None. Type the following URL exactly how it is listed here and click OK. Pause the video between steps to slow the video down. Highlight the box under the source that you just typed in and enter a name for this media source and click OK again. Click your back button on the remote and choose Add-ons. Click Install from zip file. Choose Repo or the other name you assigned the media source. Click the zip file URL repository.magnetic.zip. You will then see Magnetic Repository Add-on installed. Message: click Install from Repository. Then select Magnetic Repo, choose Video Add-ons, select Jet TV Guide, click Install. Wait for the Jet TV Guide Add-on installed message to appear. Return back to the home screen of Kodi and hover over Add-ons, then choose Jet TV Guide. You have successfully installed the Jet TV Guide add-on. The Jet TV Guide add-on presents a simple interface with multiple categories to choose from. This includes EPG, sporting events, sporting stats, settings, search, favorites, and record MPV. Within the EPG and sporting events categories, you find a working TV guide that has hundreds of live channels. However, in order to play these channels, you must install the Mad Titan Sports add-on from the same repository. When selecting a channel, you should see this add-on required message and just click Yes. If you don't want to stream channels from Mad Titan Sports, you can also integrate your own IPTV service within the add-on settings using an M3U playlist URL. Now sit back and enjoy your favorite TV show or sporting event. Make sure you're using a VPN when using any add-on. We want you to stay safe. Click on the Privado VPN link in the description. Also check Vseebox video review. Click on the link in the description. This TV box has it all: live TV, movies, and TV shows. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.